It's that time of the year in Goa where you can hear the sound of jingle bells. You can find streets and houses decorated with pretty stars and colorful lights. And amidst all this glitter and excitement, you can find people busy in their homes preparing Christmas sweets. In Goa, there is an annual tradition of making traditional Christmas sweets called Kuswar. Goa's Catholics have borrowed this tradition of preparing the consoada from the Portuguese.
In Goa, we have a unique word for it called Kuswar. Basically, doing different sweets over Christmas. Christmas Eve is when the big day was, when they made it and shared it with the neighbours. The whole Vada used to get together, and 24th whole day they used to do sweets. At night, midnight mass, they went to church. There they had tea and coffee and cakes, came home, did the pulao, and then went door to door serving kuswar, which is a plate full of sweets.
The kusvar contains a wide range of sweets that have been made and prepared in Catholic homes. Some of the most popular sweets that it contains are nevryo, dodol, bebinca, kalk, bath, doce, cake, etc. In Goa, during Christmas, Catholics send these sweets to their neighbours and friends in trays or plates covered with a cloth made of crochet or lace. The tray is never returned to the owner empty, except by the grieving families, and is always sent back with a little of everything that is prepared in the house. Nowadays, Christmas hampers and boxes have replaced the trays of sweets, and most of these sweets that are exchanged are store-bought or ordered in advance.
Christmas is the busiest time of the year for us, even though it's for a short while, but everyone is so festive and happy, and I think a lot of people like to come to Goa to celebrate Christmas.
So if you're in Goa for Christmas, don't forget to taste all the wonderful sweets that Goa has to offer, because Christmas wouldn't be complete with them.